Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, September 28th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And at first glance, they all look like B shapes for long liquidation. Now, they are, but yet things have to be put in context. We still have a double distribution day in both ES, SPY, NQ, and triple Q. We both have gaps in ES, SPY, NQ, and triple Q. Russell does not have a gap. They did not gap, yet they're the only ones that went out with a price probe as they made a new low in M period. We all end with a very wide POCs. So with ranges, we had over a $7 range today, and we end up with 11 wide POC. Very, very interesting. Russell 11 wide. Triple Q's 10 wide. So the question is, yes, sellers is firmly in control, and right now we're below last month's low with 2 days to go. So nothing's changed in the bigger picture. However, only one set of single prints, and you get a wide POC like that, it kind of leads me to believe our sellers getting tired. It remains to be seen. This is still short-term trading. I'm telling you, long-term traders, there is not a shot in the world you're going to have only one set of single prints and an 11 wide POC and still stop at visual areas as you're going all over the place. Excellent volume, 120 million with the after hours still to go. Triple Qs end with an afternoon rally high in L, a set of single prints, 10 wide, and the high and the low. Russell ends with an afternoon rally high in L, high and the low, and 11 wide. SPY and ES end up with, and plus triple Qs have the gap. We have a gap in ES and SPY, highest accepted price in B, and boy, was that a beautiful one. Set of single prints, L got into them but didn't fill them, an 11 wide POC, and the low of the day. I don't want to, my trades, I did a tremendous amount of trades. I had a very, very good day, and there were some good ones I missed. Like D's high, I missed a short at D's high. But I mean, and I took both sides of the market today. I took longs at very visual areas, like in B period on last month's low. I took a long in A against the naked POC from the 22nd, but they all worked out, and I had some pretty good sizable shorts also throughout the day. Best trade of the day, and boy, man, I should have held it, was in L period when I was short, when I was long 100 puts at L's high. Made good money on them, but certainly didn't hold them for this trip all the way back down to M's low. The only trade I lost money on was in J period. I was looking to fade a new low because we were showing no ability to get trend any more single prints, and we had a wide POC. So I was like, as J was going down, I'm like, well, maybe I'll take a short. I took a small short, never took out H's low, came up, got out of it, actually took a size long because I thought when J popped I's high, we would get going. Now, I made some money on it, but it never got going to K's high. To K's range. Boy, if K ripped up the way J did, that would have been a home run when I had those 100 calls. So the only trade I lost on today was that small short down here in J. Other than that, nailed them. I had a couple of touchdown trades, which I like to call. I had one in B period when we had the highest accepted price. A opened, B opened, A closed, B opened the penny below it, and then just started ripping. Got on board with the 440 puts. Size trade, that was a home run trade. And then again, my home run trade was that short in L. So, very good day. As far as destinations for tomorrow, for the upside. Now, we closed at, let me see where they have us settling. They have SPY settling at 433.72, down almost $9 on the day. Our first destination on the upside is 434.95, which is our 11 wide POC. So our first destination is $2 higher. Then we don't have anything for $1.70. Single prints, 436.68, get filled at 437.20. Then we have our highest accepted price, 80 cents high at 438.01, and then today's high at 440.04, and then filling the gap, 441.90, a 186-point gap. For the downside, we don't have anything to today's low, 432.94. And then we don't have anything to last week's low, 428.86. And then we have 428.80 single prints get filled at 39 cents from July 20th. 424.83 daily low and 421.97 monthly low, poor low, and that's my next big destination. And if sellers stay in control, I expect to go test that. Please write these all down. I will not be giving them tomorrow. Also, before we get to the charts, I will not be here from Thursday afternoon, 1 or 2 o'clock on through Friday. So there'll be no video Thursday night. There'll be no videos Friday. I'll attempt to do a video on Sunday. Not 100% sure, but I might do a video on Sunday if I get the time to recap everything that transpired from when I was gone and then in all three of these indices charts to see what to look for Monday. Another mistake I made, I thought the non-farm payroll was out Friday morning. It is not. It's a week from Friday, so I'm glad since I won't be here. But we do have the end of the quarter on Thursday. We have Jay Powell speaking again tomorrow at 11:45 a.m. Eastern Time. And then on the charts, monthly. Well, we have 2 days to go in the month. Right now, SPY is almost $2.50 lower than last month's low. ES is lower also. So, remains to be seen. Now, I still think I wouldn't doubt we close inside of last month's range, but if we close below it, outside month down, pretty negative after a one-time framing up 11 months. Weekly, clearly down. So far, it's an inside week, but it is only 2 days into the week. And then the daily, obviously, we had a 2 day, we went into balance, remember, inside day. So remember, inside day, go with it and monitor it for continuation or lack of. Boy, did you have continuation. Gap rules. We got to the bottom of the gap at 439.60, took it out, ripped lower. And, balance rules, not gap rules, balance rules. It got below 439.60, got below the 3-day balance and ripped, and gap rules also worked. So, all three of those things came into play. All three of them came into favor for the sell side. On my checklist sheet, the sellers absolutely cleared the board 7-0 with every little check mark that I look for. Again, it does look like a B shape, but sellers, I don't care what it looks like, it's still a double distribution day, and until we at least take out a weekly high, sellers are firmly in control, and my next destination would be 421.97, which is July 19th's low. We'll see if that's going to get there or not. Hope you had a good day trading. Have a great night, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.